Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of the Compoundly method, which launched on the 18th of August at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this great new release by Anthony Mancuso and Paul Nicholls. And what this essentially is, both Anthony and Paul are super affiliates. They typically enjoy 5-figure a month incomes, both of them. And in this method, they're going to reveal for the first time the exact steps that they use right now in their daily business to achieve these affiliate incomes. Now, Paul and Anthony have released lots of products, lots of affiliate products over the past few years, but this is the first time that they've actually shared their exact method. So the blueprint of what they do on a daily basis to enjoy the affiliate marketing incomes that they currently get, which are very good ones. So whether you are a brand newbie, this method will work absolutely if you're brand new, but also to anyone that's an intermediate level affiliate marketer that actually wants to know and follow a blueprint of what a super affiliate does. You know, so if you're knocking around at maybe 500 a month income or 1,000 a month income from affiliate marketing, and you want to scale it up to the next level, then the Compoundly method is going to help you to achieve that. So if this sounds like it's something that's of interest to you folks, then listen on to this review video. I'm also going to be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together. If you decide to, it's actually the Compoundly method, not the Compoundly method. Compoundly method, then click on the link underneath this button and you will be able to see my custom bonuses. There are 5 of them I've put together. You can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. As usual, folks, I really don't want that to happen because they are exclusive custom bonuses to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what other affiliates are offering, because of course you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a bit special. So what exactly is the Compoundly method? Well, it's a hidden 3-figure a day online proven profit method. Forget competition, forget experience or paying for ads. This untapped system works for anyone. It's a free traffic method. I should stress that at the start. This doesn't involve any form of paid advertising to use the Compoundly method. 7 great reasons to grab this today. It's an untapped, proven method for consistent, fast cash in any niche. It's 100% beginner friendly, 0 experience or tech skills needed. You can be up and running and in profit in 24 hours or less. It's completely using free traffic, never pay for ads again. Scaling's built in. You can sit back and watch your profits grow to game-changing income. Make more for less. Free traffic and 30 minutes a day is all it takes to bank big with this method. And stacks of proof. Anthony and Paul are including results for over 3 years, plus some proof of complete beginners in their teams crushing it with this method. And if you're getting this on the launch day, 18th of August, you'll be able to cash in on a particularly low launch price as well. All right, we'll come back and we'll go through the sales page. It's essentially a 3-part method, folks, that includes 3 different elements of different marketing approaches that Anthony and Paul combine into one, and they show you in the members area how the 3 elements fit in together and work organically together to achieve the results that they've been getting. So let's head over to my bonus page, folks, and have a look. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here, and this review video will be in this space here. This is a just run through of what we've just gone through about the 7 key points to this method. Here's the sales video, which you can watch by clicking on the button here.
Talk about an epic fail. 95% of people that try don't make a dime online.
Yeah, that's the sad truth, folks. But I strongly recommend that you watch the sales video, which is about 8 minutes long. And these are the custom bonuses that I've put together. So these are all geared to different ways of making money in affiliate and internet marketing. So the first one is how to make $100 a day from your laptop using completely free traffic, because obviously this course is teaching you free traffic methods. So let's teach you a few more. This is actually a course from another super affiliate, John O. Armstrong. Next, a training here that I've just put together recently on 10 websites that you can earn $100 a day from in 2019. So obviously this method is about earning you a minimum of 100 a day. Well, here's 10 other ways that you can do that. The third bonus is this method called the Bang Bang Profits method. This was a course by Brendan Mace, and it again teaches you an alternative way to make $100 a day from affiliate marketing. Next, I'm including one of Anthony Mancuso's own other products called Easy Passive Paydays. Anthony is one of the two vendors on this product. I've got permission from Anthony to give you this, which is one of his earlier products, Easy Passive Paydays, which is another great course. And finally, a course that I rarely offer, this is another one of Brendan and Jono's courses, The Clones. And again, I think I've only offered this about twice this year. Maybe this is the third time. And this is yet another different way to make money with affiliate marketing. So I'm adding you, several $100 worth of courses here, folks, additional courses for what is already a low front end price. So I hope you can see that I'm putting in lots of different value for you with this with these bonuses. So there's plenty of proof on here, which, they've got it in spades, because anyone that ever has a look around the leaderboards on Warrior Plus or JVZoo, sometimes ClickBank, but they tend to be mainly on the other two platforms, you will see Anthony Mancuso and Paul Nichols regularly appearing on the leaderboards for products, for affiliate products. So it's very easy to find proof that these two guys are actually doing what they say. One interesting fact about Paul Nichols, he's in Britain like myself. He's recently actually bought the car that David Hasselhoff drove in the Knight Rider series. He's actually acquired that car, and he's sort of renovating it, I believe. So that's an interesting fact about Paul Nichols. All right, so I'm going to leave you to look through this stuff and obviously read through the sales page yourself, guys, because obviously you can do that. And there's lots of testimonials from the other guys. So it's essentially in the members area, you'll get a breakdown of the video training for this method. It's all in modules on the left hand side, and you will see each element. So first of all, there's an overview from Anthony of the whole thing put together, and then each of the individual elements are broken down. So firstly, you watch the over-the-shoulder video training. Secondly, copy the proven methods inside to be set up, running, and in profit in 24 hours or less. And step 3, sit back and watch commissions fill your PayPal if you're still lucky enough to have a PayPal account. I sadly haven't, but I know some of you have. But whatever method you get paid by JVZoo and Warrior Plus. From day one, you'll have a passive marketing machine that will position you as a trusted authority in any niche, let you drive 100% free traffic from multiple sources in just minutes a day, and your profits with conversion rates most marketers can only dream of. So what do you get with this? You get step-by-step video guides, as I've said. It's a standard. You've probably seen the members area, lots of others before. All the buttons on the left-hand side are to click on to go through the various training modules. Sorry, I can't actually show you this. I have seen inside the members area, but I don't actually have a login for it myself. So apologies that I don't actually at this moment in time have a review copy that I can log into for you. So step-by-step video guides. Secondly, you've got a quick start cheat sheet. And thirdly, you've got a case study. You'll learn exactly how to get started today, how to level the 3-step process. As I said, it's got 3 different elements to it. Shortcut to $187 a day with 100% free traffic. 5-figure a month scaling formula. And yeah, as I said, you can read the rest of the sales page yourself, folks. So $11.95 is this very cheap front end price, folks, and I do recommend that you jump in on this at that price. The extra bonuses that Anthony and Paul are offering: bonus 1 is a Rolodex of profit tools. Bonus 2 is an emergency cash booster. In this bonus, you're going to get proven fast cash generating methods that work like clockwork. And bonus 3 is a traffic power pack. In this bonus, you'll get 4 powerful traffic methods with video training, templates, and step-by-step instructions. You can take any one of these and start profiting today. Again, you'll find all of these in your members area. And we just finished with a little bit more income proof. So that is pretty much the main method, folks. In terms of the upsells, the first upsell is done for you Compoundly campaigns. So with this, as with most first upsells, they're done for you. So you can skip the trial and error and make a lot more money quicker by plugging into the done for you campaigns that have been battle tested by Anthony and by Paul. So if you want everything completely handed to you on a plate, then for $37, that is a pretty low price for a done for you setup. Number 2 upsell is top secret profit explosion. If you want to 5 or 10 times your income, a brand new and exclusive video coaching series jam-packed with Anthony and Paul's most powerful earning methods that they've only ever taught to a small group of high-level coaching students. And this is limited to 100 spots. So if you want this, get in quickly, because they will sell out, because this is $97. So to get effectively the same coaching that Anthony and Paul give to their mentored students for that price is a really good deal. Upsell 3 is unlimited traffic siphon. This is for 50 people only. Anthony and Paul are going to allow you to siphon traffic directly from a sales page using a pixel. Some of you will have seen marketers like John O. Armstrong and Brendan Mace offering this before. It's incredibly invaluable for retargeting. I know people that have taken this off Brendan and John O. and made thousands from it. Anthony and Paul maybe don't have quite the reach, but they certainly still have hundreds of thousands of subscribers to their sales pages. So again, you can confidently expect that if you take this for 197, you will certainly get a 4-figure return on your investment. That goes without saying. And if you don't know how to set up pixels, then don't worry, it's actually really easy to do, and full training will come. The next upsell is Super Affiliate Classroom. This is the hottest and most thorough super affiliate training on the web. This will show you how to earn those $500 to $1,000 paydays. This is $397. So this is their actual mentorship program, which, you know, we saw some of their students' results earlier. And finally, reseller rights. If you want to sell this as your own product and keep 100% of the commissions, then you can have the reseller rights for the whole funnel for $177. So the ones that I would draw your attention to, obviously, if you're into done for you and you like to have done for you set up, then you will know your level of technical skills, and I would go for that if you're, you know, if you think you can't handle the setup yourself. But this one is, I think, the bargain, the $97 to get these exclusive video coaching series that they have given to their top students. That is a really good deal. And if you can afford the unlimited traffic, then you will definitely get a return on it, because people always do. So that is pretty much that, folks. Anthony and Paul are top people, so I strongly recommend this. To get it, all you have to do is click on these green buttons here, to get my custom bonuses. Just a reminder of what they are, including one of Anthony's previous products. Click on the green button here. That will take you through to the sales area. Click on add to cart, and then that will bring you back through to, that will bring you back through to the Warrior Plus area here. Click on access your purchase to get access to the Compoundly method, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. I really like this, folks. I'm going to give this 4.5 out of 5. I think it's very good that Paul and Anthony are sharing the exact method that they're using. Most super affiliates keep certain bits of information to themselves. As I said, I've been through this members area, even though I haven't actually shown it on here. I have actually seen inside it, and I can see, looking down the menu and having looked at some of the individual modules, that Anthony and Paul are pretty much spilling the beans on everything. So for that reason, I'm going to give it 4.5 out of 5. And that is pretty much it, folks. All that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. I do appreciate it. Please click on the subscribe button underneath to get notified whenever I release a review. And if you've enjoyed this review, please click the like button. This has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of the Compoundly method.